Alright, I did something crazy risky right now. Alright, so I've been doing this strategy. I've been like going ham with it. I built my account up from $50. I've just been going crazy. Not $50, from like $10. I withdrew all my money and man, I can't believe I was getting so cocky. I don't know how the hell I cleared that. Oh man, and I have another one coming. This is crazy. I'm gonna go live in a couple of minutes today, explaining what I'm doing. How I just see that it went from $50 just a couple seconds ago to 130. This is crazy. Man, this is nuts. But this strategy, man, I mean, there's a couple new what do you call it? A couple new confirmations that I've just discovered that to do with it as well. What it's all about is just making up like your own. It's not really making up your own strategy, but it's like finding strategies that work and just adding on other confirmations to it to make it even sexier. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh shit, we did it! Another crazy. There it is. It's nuts. I'm taking this thing up to 500 by the end of the day. Have a good one.